Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is this query. You're going to prepare a report from the database. To make a report, you have to do a query first. Your report will only include cars sold to business customers. You will need to calculate the profit for each car sold, showing the make, purchase price, sales price, date sold, company names, and profit sorted in ascending order of date sold. How do we work out profit? It's your selling price minus your purchase price. So we have to do all that. First thing we do is go to create, and we create a query design, bring both tables in, add, close this, click on there, drag it in any way that you want to do it. So you pull it in there, go to the end, go there, click on there. There's different ways of bringing it in. You can all do your own way. And there we are. So the first thing we got to do is create a new column called profit. How do we do that? We click in the empty column, right click on it, go to build, go to tables, J cars. There's our purchase price and sales price, so we know in the right place. What is it? Sales price minus purchase price, and what's the difference? Will be our profit. Double click on that, minus sign, purchase price. Okay, there it is. Highlight expression, just expression 1, not the dots, and call it profit. And there we go. The next thing, it said ascending order of date sold. Sort into ascending order of date sold. Let's go and do it. Where's date sold? There it is. Click on sort. There's sort. This line here. We go there. Ascending order of date sold. What's the next thing they want us to do? Your report will include only cars sold to business customers. So let's go and find out. Customer ID. Cust ID. Where is it? Remember, we made cust ID our primary key, and because we made primary key, we also said B or P. There it is. So we go there, like B, and there it is. Okay, like B, because we only want business customers. So let's run it, see what happens. And there we go. Okay, so at least we know it's running. So let's go back, and now the final thing we got to do is they only want make, purchase price, sales price, date sold, company names, and profit. So they want make. Let's go right from the beginning. They only want make, so they don't want car ID, they don't want model, they don't want the color, they want purchase sale, purchase price, sales price. They don't want year, they don't want extras. Don't know why my database is doing this. They don't want that. They want date sold. They don't want this. Okay, what else do they want? Let's go look at it again. Make, purchase price, sales price, date sold, company names, and profit. Date sold, yes. Company and profit. And they want profit. Okay, that's about it. We've sorted it. Okay, let's run it and see what we got. Make, purchase price, sales price, date sold, company, and profit. And that's how we do our query. So once our query is finished, we're gonna run the report. Now watch this carefully. You go to create. You go to this one here, report. Once you save the query, yes, give it a name. I'll make a query one. And there's our report. They didn't tell us what to do, if it must be landscape or anything, but we can see everything's on 2 pages. We don't want that, so we'll use our brains. We'll go to page setup and we'll make it landscape. Then we'll grab it there and bring it in a little bit. Can you see that? I clicked on that one looks fine, that one could come in a little bit, just a touch. Date sold can come in a little bit, touch. Company name can come in a bit, and there's our profit. Okay, so what do they want? Calculate the total profit and display it at the end of the report. How do we do that? That's quite easy. Because we're in landscape view, you just click on the profit column. Make sure it shows like this. You right click on there, you go to total profit and you go sum. If they wanted the average, you would have clicked there. If they wanted you to count records somewhere, you could have clicked on any of the columns there, and you could have clicked on count records or count or max or the minimum, anything here, you can do it over there. So I'll show you again. Just right click, total profits, make sure sum is clicked, and if it's clicked, you go down to the bottom of the report and you will see it's there. And you got to format it. If it's not formatted, you got to format it into currency. Can you see there? You can see it's pounds, but there's no pound sign, so we went into format and you make it currency. Okay, and there you go. You can see it's 2 decimal places. It's taken up. It's taken what the column is about. So there's the decimal places there. So the answer is in decimal places. Okay, the next thing was we had to put in this title had to go into the top of the report. I'm going to do it like this. You guys will have to type it in. Okay. And the reason is your exam paper will be on the desk next to you. Okay, so there we go. They also wanted your name, center number, and student number in the header. In the header, we've got these 2 things there. So how do we do that? We go to View, Design View. They didn't ask for the dates, did they? Let's take it out. And we go to label A on top there. Put your name in there. B. Smith, GA019, and your student number. Okay, and there you go. You go out of here, and you go back to your report view. Car sold to business companies. There's your name, center number, student number. There's the total of this column, so the total sum, the column, so that's all right. This looks good. Is that what they wanted? Is that all they wanted? Save and print this report. So all you got to do now is save it. Right click, save. Okay. How do you print it? Go file, print preview, and print it. Okay, and that's it.